Friends, in this video I came up with a new video on Firefox Grunge's bicycle. This is a very nice cycle and we ordered it in Amazon. I gave the link for this cycle in this description below. It came in they delivered in a very good condition and without any damage. This cycle is already assembled 80% and only 20% of the cycle is to be assembled by the person. We can order this person's service also in the Amazon. He can come within 3 days depending on your location. So now we got it and now this person started his assembly. This Firefox box comes with this Firefox cycle and a pedal toolkit which contains a alloy key and a spanner. It is very sturdy, I know. I mean, this looks very strong and sturdy, and we can take any type of road, either on the road or the mountain or the gravel. I think name anything. I feel very happy with this cycle. This performance is very good. If you see this in this image in this video, this looks very nice. I mean, the perfect this just like one straight line. Okay. The Firefox image itself, a logo and the name are very nice and very attractive, and this comes with very nice colors like black and orange, and this logo is in orange color and white color, and Firefox name is in the white color. This looks very good and very attractive. After I bought this cycle, I think many of my friends asked about this cycle. They also showed very interest in this cycle. Finally, they also bought, some of these people, my friends bought this cycle also. See this logo, very perfect, very attractive on the black, correct? So, I mean, coming to this specifications, and this frame size is 17 inches and tire size is very good, that is 27.5 inches, and width is more than 1 inch. Anyone above 13 years can easily ride this cycle, but one drawback is the people who are above 5.5 feet or say near 6 feet, they feel very difficult to ride this cycle because their legs can touch handle easily even though you adjust your seat. Okay, but still, I mean, you can go for a ride without much difficulties even though you are around 6 feet. And coming to this frame, frame is steel, and we have one side stand, and left reflector came in the reflector and a seat, and the suspension. One drawback it only it has the suspension in the front tire, and back tire is not having any suspension. And this Firefox Grunge model is only comes with non-geared, means there is no gears. But I prefer this cycle because this is not for going long distances for me, but is for my fitness. Without gear, we have to put more pressure on the pedaling, but that gives very good access to our body. We set out a lot of calories, and it will be very good. See this wheel, this almost within our few minutes of talk, I think it seems he assembled a lot of all the parts. The 20% of remaining parts, and now he's adjusting the stand, wheels, everything, aligning that one, adjusting this perfectness, and it looks very nice now. And as per this Amazon, this one, it has one free service. After a few months, you can call them for the free service, and they do some bike tune-up, chain grease, application, lubrications, and brakes, wire decrease and lubrication. They do all these small things. But I don't recommend this going somewhere else, taking your bike for this free service. You can contact anyone near to your home. This manufacturer is Firefox Private Limited, and I think in 2014 the Hero completely purchased this company. Now they are manufacturing this one on the Firefox name only. This goes, I mean, after bought this one, I love this cycle. Almost every 2 days once I go by these cycles in the morning, around 20 kilometers. I think I didn't have any issue with this cycle. The performance is very nice. I love it. I also refer to your friends. I mean, to go for geared cycle. This is just unnecessary risk of sliding off the case, and again, always you feel some discomfort with that one if you don't go for long runs. But this bicycle Firefox Grunge is very good for the people who needs fitness than going long distances. And I never have any problem with this tire functioning or anything, so it is always perfect. You can try, you buy it, surely you love it, and your friends also love it. Yeah. So now I think this person is completed. Now he is doing some final adjustments. This cycle, if you see this image, this video, there is no back end mud guards, no mud guards. We have to buy it separately. And I bought that bell also, and I also bought indicators, because when you're going in the city, I think you must have this some indicators, while crossing the roads. Otherwise, it's very dangerous to you people. I also bought a helmet, in the Firefox helmet only. This is very, very nice. I think it's 800 rupees around. I forgot to tell you, this cycle cost is 13,500. You can buy it in Amazon or Flipkart, wherever you want. So I like this cycle, guys. I also recommend you to buy it. Thank you. I hope you like this my video or just my cycle. If you so, please like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.